morning! Magpaano kami ng sasakyan, guys. Nakauwi si Mr. kagabi, guys. Umuwi, guys. Basa ang buhok. Ito yung ano sa akin. Masakit sa ko likuran kapag basa ang buhok. Anyway, good morning! Alam nyo, I'm 42 years old pero may mga hot flashes talaga ako, guys. Every time na may hot flashes ako, guys, yung mukha ko, it's super red. Yun talaga yung na-notice ko sa aking face lock. At ito po yung apply ko sa aking face, guys. Ito yung mga nilalagay ko. Ito siya, itong Songbon Editor. Yun siya, retinol, collagen. And I have to order more sa TikTok. Kasi sa TikTok ko ito in order. Maganda siya sa face. I really like it, guys. Ito po siya. At saka dalawa po ito. Yung isa is ibang klase. Deep collagen also. Yung isa collagen pa rin siya pero may retinol. Yes, ina-apply ko siya together. Pero pwede din hindi together. And sabi pa, uulan daw, pero for some reason wala namang ulan. Kahapon din, wala masyadong ulan. Hindi ko alam. I have to clean up sa balay kasi needed. And also, I need to protect the floor. Tapos na ako sa aking pag-garden ganon. So, protection na tayo sa floor. Hindi ko alam kung kailan I want to do it kung mainit-init. Hi guys. So, sabi pa ni Mr. pwede daw akong hindi sasama. So, I'm going to cook him lunch. So, yun na lang yung gawin ko. I'll cook him lunch and then if he want me, he can call me. But I know he wants me to go with him. I knew it. I'm gonna cook him lunch, guys. Love you.
Love you too.
And
I'll see you later.
call me if you need me, okay?
Yeah,
Do you have the car key?
I do.
Put the chair back, okay? Okay, the chair. Yung asawa ko, kailangan, aray. My husband want to go outside and start digging the ground. This is what I need. Oh, I don't need an auger. Look, guys. To dig. But my husband, he think he can use the auger with all the rocks. Tara, guys. Come on, Ranky Doy. Ranky Doy. So, punta tayo dito sa labas kasi hindi ko alam kung asan ko ilagay itong aming let me see, I'm debating ba kung asan ilagay ang aming gazebo. Kasi ako man yung magbuot, no? Ako yung may say. Vanitami, you have to think because once we put the gazebo, we're not moving it. But I want to move it. Gusto kong i-move. Ay, nako. Asan ba pwede ilagay, guys? Sa gitna, guys. Badiyad dyan. Dyan? Or doon? Oy, I'm debating na final na ba yan?
Oh, here?
In the, close to the porch.
Okay.
Huh?
You want it right here?
Closer. Not too close to the porch.
So closer part will be here. You can't go beyond. You can't go up to the tree branches to make it because of the height.
No, the one over there. No, it's not gonna be that high, honey. Go closer over there, honey. Han. In the middle of the tree. Not. I don't want it to be like. No. I mean in the middle, but forward here. Forward here. There. Forward here. Go forward here. Yeah.
No. We need about 10 feet. It's got to go 10 feet more. It's not a straight line. It's 10 feet deep.
Post, and then another post there.
Yeah, further than that. Yeah, pull it. Pull that.
What is 10 feet?
And as close as you want to be to the porch.
Right here. What is 10 feet? Hala, it's really that big?
10 feet is to here.
Okay, and then it's right here, Tommy. The other one is right here.
These are like from the fence. So let's see. This is So you're already past 10 feet here. What are you doing? 10 feet to the middle of the post.
Punta tayo sa Home Depot. Dito na kami. Ha? Sabi ko, sobrang ano lang ito. Hindi siya heavy ba? Yes, all of too windy with this. It will move off.
No, you got the way to deck and stuff on it.
Can we get the last time?
Just hold it.
The red. Sorry about that.
Allah.
Huh? When we were young, so it's just revenge.
That's what I'm thinking.
Hey, the price you gotta pay in life.
Simento lang yung nalabili namin guys. Hindi kami nakabili ng PVC kasi wala silang sobrang laki ba. Maliit yung I don't know why my husband. So you're looking for a big round PVC?
Yes, it's gonna be bigger. You want it to, when you drill into it, you don't want it to crack.
Okay.
Because it'll be too close to the edges, it'll just crack it.
Okay.
Like that.
So now what? Where you can find a PVC that
You
big.
just box it out.
So if we box it out, that means I'm gonna make it wider a little bit, that they're extra for the box, or else.
It's gonna have to be wider, right?
So inilabas ko na dito ang ating kalamansi at ang lime guys kasi ilang buwan din ito dito sa loob ng bahay at kailangan din nilang makita yung labas no, na-miss nila yung labas guys at na-miss nila yung ulan, init at saka hangin of course. But anyway, so yun dito ko siya nilabas kasi usually doon sa garahian, pasaka pasagdan at ang bigat-bigat niya guys hindi talaga kaya sa power, so kaya yun dito na sa gilid. And then buti na lang bumili ako ng dali na maliit at doon ko ginudguyod ko siya doon patungo doon sa ating side door. At dahil wala po itong fertilizer for how many months guys, at nilagyan ko. And then pagkatapos, kinuha ko muna yung mga old na lupa sa ibabaw and then nilagyan ko ng fertilizer. And after that, I did add more soil guys, yung nabili ko. Kasi kailangan niya ng bagong soil. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng soil ang kailangan ng kalamansi. I think kailangan siya ng counting sand or something. Pero wala po, hindi pa ako bumili niyan guys. Regular lang siya na lupa and then fertilizer, yun lang yun siya. Nabubuhay naman siya no. So ito yung mga pinagagawa ko, tapos na ako sa aking fertilizer, then ina-add ko na yung lupa sa ibabaw and then tubig-tubigin lang siya, yun na. So, hi guys, and dito tayo sa garahian at hindi pa ako actually tapos na, pero kailangan ko lang magdagdag ng tubig, I think or bukas na. At yun, tapos na ako sa lagay ng ng lupa. Nilagyan ko ng bagong lupa at nilagyan ko din ng mga fertilizer para po talagang magbunga yung aking kalamansi, kasi yung kalamansi ko hindi talaga siya magbunga, guys. I don't know how many years na, nakalimutan ko na siya, pero wala pa rin bunga until now. Pero yung ating lime, they're always like having flower. Merong bunga every year. So, pero hindi siya ganun yung parang sobrang healthy kasi wala nga siyang fertilizer for citrus. Ngayon, bumili na ako at gusto ko na talagang magkaroon ng kalamansi. Kasi kalamansi is really good, guys. And this kalamansi is growing, pero I don't want them grow like grabe kataas. Kaya, always putol yun ako, guys. Always putol. Gusto ko dwarf lang siya. So, hindi ako marunong mag-dwarf, pero pinuputol ko siya and hopefully, dili siya mangluod. Kasi kung mangluod na siya, mamatay yun na. At maganda yung panahon ngayon. And yun, so tapusin ko lang po ito, guys. After sa labas, guys, dito na tayo sa loob at kailangan ko lang i-continue itong mga labahan. And then, kasi meron pa akong hindi nalagay sa dryers. Yun siya. Busy po talaga ako kapag mga ganitong panahon, lalo na kapag hindi masyadong mainit. At ang sarap-sarap maglinis sa labas kasi parang ano siya, relaxing for me, no? And then pagkatapos, andun sa loob, magluto, maglaba, maglinis. So yun, sa mga nagsasabing tapulan, hindi po ako talaga tapulan. Ano lang talaga ako, walang trabaho sa labas. At yun, ang dami kasing nagsasuggest na kailangan daw akong magtrabaho, guys, kasi parang meron pera. Guys, bigyan niyo na lang ako ng pera, be.